Smartphones under Rs 10,000 often compromise on power or features. But Lava is trying to flip the script with its new Storm series. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have with us the new Lava Storm Play. Priced at Rs 9,999, this smartphone comes with specs that look capable on paper. This phone promises better speed, display and performance offered by most entry-level phones available in the market. So let's take a look at the biggest features of the new Lava Storm Play. Let's start with its performance. The Lava Storm Play is the world's first smartphone that comes powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7060 chipset. It is also the first phone under Rs 10,000 to offer LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Whether it's multitasking, gaming or using apps, the experience will always be smooth and responsive. Lava Storm Play features 6.75-inch HD+ display with 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling on this phone feels smooth and watching content is immersive. With a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and clean lines, the design also feels modern. Thanks to IP64 dust and water resistance, minor splashes or dust won't be a worry while using this phone. For photography lovers, the Storm Play offers a 50MP dual rear camera setup with Sony's IMX752 sensor. From portraits to daylight shots or casual videos, it can handle everything with ease. And for selfies, there's an 8MP front camera which is good enough for video calls and social media ready posts. Storm Play is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day. And when you need a quick top-up, 18-watt fast charging has got you covered. So whether it's work, streaming or gaming, the battery won't let you down. This phone runs Android 15 out of the box with no bloatware or ads. This means you get a clean, smooth user experience just the way Android is meant to be. Lava also promises one major Android upgrade and 2 years of security updates for this phone. Plus, you get a support for free service at home across India. Storm Play targets users who want performance, cameras and a smooth display all within a budget. So, which feature impressed you the most? Let us know in the comment section. For more such tech insights and reviews, subscribe to Gadgets Now. See you in the next video.